Now, in recharging, there is one important point what you have to do. Make a habit all the time to locate your forehead point. I should remember this is a center of will, center of thought, center of spiritual vision. Means when you learn how to concentrate here all the time, you will know exactly the truth behind any name and form, truth behind anything which is invisible and visible, truth behind past and future, truth behind present. Therefore, this point is very, very important. This is called Christ Consciousness Center. Why it is called Christ Consciousness Center? Because inside our head, here is the medulla. Inside medulla there is a power. That power is called the nucleus power, central power, which is omnipresence. This power is named as the power of the Christ. When you concentrate here, then you activate medulla. When activate medulla, then we are showing devotion in Christ. Then Christ will start manifesting through you. Therefore, this is called the Christ Consciousness Center. Or you can say Christ Center. This is a very important point. Now, next thing which is very important to understand, inside our mouth, tongue is there. Try to roll tongue backward like this. Because the medulla and pons, these centers are having nerves. Especially I am talking about two nerves, glossopharyngeal, hypoglossal. Both nerves are innervating tongue and the pharyngeal area, the glossal tongue area. When you roll tongue back, then medulla is activated. It starts activating. A spiritual current starts arising in the medulla. Let us think some phenomena of day-to-day life. Try to see some person who are born mentally retarded. When that person is the age of 25, 20, still you will find saliva is dripping down. It means his medulla is very much inactive. Saliva is dripping down because the tongue of that person is forward downward. When try to make a reverse, then you will feel opposite effect. Or when you take too much narcotics and drugs or too much alcohol, they will find immediately when you sleep, saliva will come out. Or when you are having little laziness mental, some kind, you will find when you speak, your saliva will come out. Therefore, remember, this is very important discipline to keep tongue all the time rolled back. Because inside, blind mind is king. Why blind mind is king? Because if you do not have any problem, then we eat what is the best. Oh, please eat normally. No, I don't have blood pressure. I don't have diabetes. I am quite healthy. I am 20 years old. In 20 years old, you will not have blood pressure, diabetes. Therefore, because I like this, then I will keep on eating. I will not listen to my parents. I will not listen to my teachers. I will not follow anyone. I will do what I feel it is good to me. This is called blind mind kingdom. Because blind mind always live with the greed. Greed means likes and dislike. Something you like, you have attachment. Something you do not like, you have aversion. Therefore, when you roll your tongue back, remember internally blind mind is working. When you feel danger, then we stop thinking. Before that, we never stop thinking. Then grind mind nature is to work with attachment or aversion. We have greed. I am rolling tongue back, I want to roll more. Why? Because in some book we have written, we have read in some book, when your tongue is touching the vulva, inside pharynx, then some divine nectar is coming from the brain. You know, frog tongue is always there. It means you have to learn from frog. Make him to come sit here. Frog will say tarato, nothing else. And snake tongue, you see, go out and go in. Then snake is not our teacher. Our teacher is Teshagri, Lodi Mahasaya, Jesus Christ, and God, so many things. Therefore, remember, because blind mind is king, always when you practice something, we practice with the greed. I want a huge quantity today. Never do that. Practice with joy. And how to reduce the strength of greed? You have to reduce power of greed. How to do that? Again, same thing. Locate forehead point, feel head and spine. Your greed element will be less. But you cannot remove permanently. Remember it. You cannot remove anything permanently. If anything will go, body will go. If anger will go, body will go. If lust will go, body will go. They all will live, but in our control. This is the one thing, when you are rolling tongue back, you must remember, blind mind king is always having friendship with the greed element. Blind mind always advise, let us roll more. When try to keep force here, too much force, you will find you are not getting taste in the food. Taste bud on the tongue, they become little something different. When you do not like taste, then you will have illusion. I was feeling food very good. Since I started practicing Kriya Yoga, I don't like food. Something is going bad in. Then we have all kind of unnecessary things. Therefore, I request all of you, never practice anything with greed. Greed means, I don't like to do this. No, you have to do it. Because you are doing experiment. You cannot deny, I will not do it. You have to see the effect, it is working or not. But try to roll slowly. When you are rolling, you get saliva inside. Then you get great problems. Saliva is coming. Saliva is having more nutrition than water, than fruit juices. Because saliva is having very high quality protein, amylase, that carbohydrate amylase. There are some fine protein, very fine, higher quality protein. And many other minerals are there. Many other things which is antibiotics is there. If you get saliva, drink it. Therefore, we should not have problem when we get more saliva during this. Now, this is the precaution.